Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional. No, it's not an additional. It's the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the Saturday edition. Saturday, October the 5th, 2024. Tomorrow we have an additional with extra puzzles. Today, this puzzle page, we have 6 extra puzzles. One of them I've already solved. Well, I will do 4 puzzles, not all. So 3 puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku, binary with 4 stars. But you are interested in the Killer Sudoku. The Killer Sudoku number 9386. We have 2 given numbers here. Yeah, 2 given numbers. One with a 5, a given number 5 in this triple box of 10. That means that those 2 boxes together should be a 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. A given number 9 in this triple box of 23. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 14. 40 plus 9 is equal to 23. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 big squares. We're looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. Well, it will be difficult. All those big squares have more than 1 sharing box. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Do we have columns with 1 sharing box? Well, no, this one is complete. If we count all these numbers, the total sum is 45. 23 plus 12 plus 10 is 45. Okay. No columns with 1 sharing box. No rows with 1 sharing box. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. Correction, 1 combination. For example, the box of 3, only 1 combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Here, the box of 17, 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9. 13, 8, 9, 12, 13. Box of 4, only 1 combination, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. 6, 13, 7, 12, 13, 9, 11, 11. 14, 5, 10, 11, 7, 13, 9. Box of 17, 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9. Box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Box of 16, only 1 combination, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. Alright. Now, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 7 then. Alright. 1 and 2. Interesting. Well, my next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. 2 combinations. 2 combinations. We have the box of 14 here. 14 plus 9 is equal to 23. There are 2 combinations for the box of 14. 8 plus 6 and 9 plus 5. Well, the 9 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 9 and the 5 here. So it should be 8 and a 6. 8 and a 6. Let me see. So I need an 8 here. 8 and a 5, okay. Well. 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3. I need to think, I need to think. This one is a hard one. Yeah. 5. I need a 7. I need a 7 in this column. Oh, I cannot place the 7 there, so the 7 should be here, here, or there. That means then if I place a 7 here, then 2 boxes are left, and those 2 boxes together should be a 5. So we have 2 boxes of 5. 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3. 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3 here. Let me think. 2 and a 3. Cannot place the 3 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a 5. Need a 7. I need a 2. Well, in this big square we need a 2. Cannot place the 2 in the box of 12. Cannot place the 2 in the box of 13. Otherwise, the combination will be 2 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Here, 2 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Only place level 2 in this big square should be here. In the box of 6, the combination will be 2 plus 4. So 3 missing numbers now. 7, 5, and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 4 plus 8. The 8 is already used in this triple box. So the 4 should be definitely here. And the other 2 should be the numbers 5 and a 7. 5 and a 7. In the box of 13, combination will be 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Here we have 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright, 8 and a 6. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. I need a 4 here. Well, 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8, otherwise I need another 8. Double 8 is not allowed, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 8, 9. Yeah, I'm thinking. 8. Yeah, 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for 8. Goes in the box of 13, combination 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now in the last row. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. Yeah, 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, okay. 1, 3, 6, so we need a 7 here, here, or there. A 2, 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left the 5 should be there. In the box of 9, combination will be 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 1, 3, 6. So the other 3 numbers should be 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. Well, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 could be here or there. And I cannot place the 3 here in the last row. Then the combination will be 3 plus 5. We already have a 5 here. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2, 4, 7 is missing here. Okay, 7 could be here, here, or no, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay, well, We need a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these two boxes. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. If I place the 5 here, then this should be a 2. If I place the 5 here, then the combination will be 5 plus 3. Could be, could be, could be. I need to wait. So we have a 2 there. 2. Well, in this big square, we need a 2. I cannot place the 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this column because we already have a 2 there. I cannot place the 2 there in the box of 9 because then the combination will be 2 plus 7. The 7 is already used in this row. So the 2 should be definitely in one of those 2 boxes. And these 2 boxes together should be a 5. So 2 and a 3 should be here. 2 and a 3. So these 3 boxes will be 7. 4 and a 1. 4 and a 1. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in this. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And a 1, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 1. There's the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 7, 4. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. 4 in this column. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the in that column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 13. Then the combination will be 4 plus 9. The 9 is already used here in this big square, in the box of 17. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. Then in the box of 11, the combination will be 4 plus 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be here then. In the box of 13, combination will be 7 plus 6. Now we have 1 box left in this big square for number 1. In the box of 9, combination will be 1 plus 8. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 8 should be in the box of 14. Combination will be 8 plus 6. So here can't be 6 anymore. So and I cannot place the 3 here. So the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 3 and 6, that means that this box should be a 1. And in the box of 8, combination will be 1 plus 7. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this should be a 4 then. Alright. 4, 2, 7. 4, 2, 7. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8, otherwise I need another 4. So the 4 is supposed to be here. In the box of 7, combination will be 4 plus 3, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. In the box of 8, combination will be 5 plus 3. Okay. One of the missing number in this big square is the number. Well, we have a 3 and a 6 here. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. Okay. 7, 5. One of the missing number in this in this big square is number 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. The 8 is already used. So the 5 should be here in this big square. In the box of 8, combination 5 plus 3. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 6 and a 7. Here 2 numbers left also in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 2 and a 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 1. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then 1, 7, 1, 4, 7, 4, 7. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this column? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 4. The 4 is already used in one of these two boxes, in this triple box of 12. So 9 should be definitely here then. So two numbers left, the 8 and the 5. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. All right, 9, 9, need a 9 here, here, or there. 8, 8, need a 8 here, here, or there. 8, 8. 5, 6, 6, need a 6 here. Well, we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places level 6 will be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12, otherwise I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed. So the only place level 6 should be here. In the box of 7, combination will be 6 plus 1. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Well, I cannot place the 2 in the box of 13. Otherwise, combination will be 2 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. So the 2 should be here. 7 goes there. In the box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7. In the box of 13, the combination will be 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 1 or 7, I've marked this box with 1 or a 7. We have a 7 now, so this box should be a 1. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. In the box of 11, combination will be 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So here we have a 4 and a 7, okay. 6 and a 7, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have 7 now in this middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left now in the middle row for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, 3 and the 8. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Let me mark those. So, in the box of 14, combination will be 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. In the box of 7, the combination will be 2 plus 5. We have here a quadra box of 21. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. 8 and 9, we have 8 now in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 5, so the 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. In the box of 5, the combination will be 1 plus 4. In the box of 10, the combination will be 9 plus 1. 8 and a 3. 9 and a 3. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 8 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 8 goes there. 8 and a 5, we have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, otherwise it will be a 3 stars puzzle. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.